This is the area that does the cutting. Whenever you sharpen the teeth, this is the higher part of the tooth. The reason why we keep that higher part on there is so the tooth has a lot of strength. If you hit foreign debris, it doesn't break as easily. But whenever you go to sharpen, I'll demonstrate an incorrect way and a correct way. But this line, this knife portion, is supposed to be moved back through the entire life of the tooth. So right now I'm just going to demonstrate a bad sharpen and a good sharpen. Okay, so right here is a bad sharpen. You can see your knife's edge is sharp, and it doesn't have to be as sharp where it like cuts your finger or anything. It just has to have an edge, so to speak, on it. But this is an incorrect sharpen, and the reason why, okay, if you're cutting a tree down, okay, yes, it's hitting right here because these are fairly new teeth, but as you start sharpening, what will wind up happening is this high spot will hit the tree, and then you're forcing the drum into the tree and not the knife. Also, whenever you go to clean, whenever you have big sticks on the ground or whatnot, you're pushing those sticks deeper into the ground and not actually sucking them up and turning it into fine mulch. If you look right here, you can see where it comes in and it's steadily biting, and it's all the way pretty much to level where your drum would be on the ground before it hits this high spot. Or if you want to focus on the ground side, you know, that whole piece is sucked in to the back of the drum before it hits that high spot of the tooth. So that's one thing that you want to be sure is make sure it's nice and even, and you push everything back as the life of the tooth goes down.
Show us a proper grinding, please.
So here, you want to put pressure, okay, and just slowly, evenly put this thing in. I normally come up my grinder, I kick it up maybe 10-degree angle and slowly go across, and the tooth is actually going down evenly, so you don't have that abrupt edge and also that high spot. I'm slowly pushing that high spot back. As you can see, you ain't got to do much. Slowly but surely is enough. So I'm gonna continue finishing now. Okay, so you can see where I push the line back. Some people push it back farther. You can do either or, but slowly push this line back as your life of the tooth goes out. That's a proper way to sharpen these teeth. That's how you get the most life out of it.
Well, thank you, sir.